Another video on cutting the button. Okay. Some shaping here. I'm kind of satisfied with kind of what's going on. I got a little bit of a bump there I don't like. That's got to get off. We're going to come on. Okay. I'm just clearing stock off so I can come in on the back and make the nice line that I want. I've got a little bit of a bump here. I want this out. Right there. There we go. That did it. I'm coming out. I'm going to realign my cut again. To there. My line's pretty good. Cutting wheels coming in. Cutter's coming in about right. Okay, time for a change. That's the shape. It's not bad. What I gotta come in now is come into here and cut it off from this, but I got a different tool to do that. So